Big up the diaspora then. USA, England, Canada. Big up yourself.
Bless up, my people. This is Echo Street bringing you the real Jamaica news with the energy, clarity, and vibes. Let's roll deep into today's top stories.
Victoria Jubilee Hospital emergency, 24 babies dead. Jamaica shock. The Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Kingston's major maternity center, is under intense scrutiny. Since June 1, 24 newborns have died. That's double what would raise alarm. SARS team of experts rushed in. The cause is under probe. Parents left heartbroken are demanding answers now. Flashback. Remember 2020-22? That deadly bacterial outbreak that claimed 12 babies. People are questioning if history is repeating itself. Your Ministry of Health remains silent so far. The nation waits. This isn't just a ticket, it's families crushed. We need truth, action, and accountability. Fast! Trust in police cracking, JCF confidence hits new lows. New RJ Aglina poll drops and the result. Alarm bells! 26% of Jamaicans have zero confidence in the police. Just 3% say confidence is slight. Just 10% say they're truly confident. Biggest thing, over half the country feels less safe than 5 years ago. Aligning calls for reform are louder. People tired of talk without results. So that's the tigers up. How can we fight crime if the people don't trust the fighters? JCF, time to rebuild that bond. The election, fire building, PNP, JLP neck and neck. Jamaica's heading toward the polls and the race is tight. PNP 32.6% backing. Chapman P 29.6% support. Undecided, a massive 38% not feeling either party yet. Among the youth, the undecided rate's even higher. Last month, PNP had a 9-point lead. Now, it's 3 things are changing fast. Self-respect, wake up and work, the people not sold yet. Bloodshed in Sentan, taxi operator, passenger gunned down, crime hits mommy base, Sentan, a taxi operator and passenger shot dead in a shocking hit. He's a suspect. A man posing as a passenger, once inside he turned and fired. JCF is hunting him down, but the streets on edge. This kind of brazen attack shows how far the violence has reached. Not even public transport feels safe. National trials, new champs, big times. The track was on fire at national trials. Tina Clayton smashed her PB 10A2 on Jamaica's next sprint queen. Bryan Levell dipped in the 10. 999's the man means business. Sherika Jackson breezed through heats at 11:20's just warming up. Kamari Kennedy took both you 18-shot put and discus. Serious talent. World better watch out. Team Jamaica looking ready. Big move for infrastructure. The US begs the $1 million Port Antonio bypass project has officially started. The aim? To ease traffic, boost business, and transform the tour of experience. Lord PM Honus says this is about building Jamaica's future. Good move. Let's make sure it delivers for the people, not just papers. 3.1 quake rattles St. Andrew at 12:23 VM. No damage, but felt by many. 100 buses, 3 held in St. Andrew. Cops tightening grip. 7-year-old man killed by SUV. Investigation underway. This has been your Echo Street News Hype, where the news meets the streets. Keep your eyes open, stay safe, and remember, the power is with the people. We'll be back with more real Jamaica updates. Bless up!